Welcome back. We are going to speak about the first part, and we will start with the introduction of what is the Google Drive. If we search online about Google Drive, we will find that it is a file storage service, a cloud file storage service. The personal one, it is consisted of the Google Suite, which is just like the Microsoft Office, but with the slight differences. And we have the G Suite, which is the professional one for businesses. If we click at the Google Drive, we will need to sign in if we haven't signed in. So the number one requirement is a Google account, a Gmail account. Once we click at the Google Drive, it will take us to either signing in, or if we have already signed in, it will take us to our personal drive. It's a very good service and it offers us multiple options. We can, for an example, save some files to use later, like pictures, documents, etc. Or we can create new files or folder. If you have used OneDrive or Dropbox or Box or iCloud, this is similar in terms of storing. So it's a cloud storage. Here are some examples of the services provided by the Google Drive cloud service. If we click at new, we will find that we can have a document, which is similar to Microsoft Word, a sheet, which is similar to Microsoft Excel, and a slide, which is similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. If we click on more, we will find other options, but our main focus for this training is the Google Form. And we can create a blank one or use it from a template. See you on the next part.